Does your business sign look the same as everybody else's? Why not stand out from the crowd and design a custom sign unique to your business? At Mr. Signs, we specialize in making the highest quality custom signs in the industry. When you make a custom sign for your business, you have no limitations on shape, size, or color. You can design something special that makes customers stop and take notice. And if you should need assistance making your sign special, we have a brilliant team of in-house graphic designers ready and waiting to help. Another big part of our success in producing exceptional custom signage for your business is our investment in advanced printing technology. Starting with our Agfa Titan 320 high-speed flatbed printer and our Kongsberg Esco precision cutter, we have the capability to handle an almost unlimited variety of different sign materials and sizes. Get started making your custom sign today. Contact us at Mr. Signs or email us at info@mrsigns.ca.